Oh, he flopped. He flopped it.
Rasmus, ja, har du lagt de der 250 kilo kokain ude på lageret? Okay, ja, det er bare i orden. Ja, vi skal bare ikke, politiet skal ikke finde ud af det, ikke vel? Ja, det er i orden, hej.
Hi mate. Would I be able to get your name and badge number, please?
Have you got the time, mate?
Time?
Yeah. We watch this, guys.
It's 6:05. 6:05.
Boy.
Nah, nah.
Call us 353, mate.
Well played, sir.
I just want to let all y'all know, since the whole police department is like here right now, I don't have any fentanyl on me. I don't condone the use of it. I'm not that type of guy.
Wow. I'm proud of you.
Thank you, bro. I'm an upstanding citizen.
I'm not gonna pound you, but I'm proud of you.
Not gonna pound me? Yo, pause, bro. I don't want you to pound me.
No diddy.
Yo, bro, you ever seen an NYPD turban, son? Yo, that's the first time my man got a turban NYPD.
If you knew your culture, you know that's not a turban.
What is it? What is it?
You gonna ask me what?
Yeah, I'm asking you, what is it?
Look it up.
What is that, bro? It's a turban, right? What a idiot! It's always these guys.